Good evening. Today I talk about sources and methods of financing investment activities. Done by Bahramjan Medina. The Introduction: Financing investment activities. Before diving into the sources and methods of financing investment activities, it's important to first establish a foundation for the study. This card will provide background information on the topic present, the problem statement and research question outlines the objectives of the study, discuss the significance of the study, and give a brief overview of the contents of the presentation. Literature review. Firstly, overview of investment activities. Investment activities refer to the allocation of financial resources across different financial assets or technologies to earn a return on investment. Secondly, sources of financing investment activities. The sources of financing investment activities may include personal savings, bank loans, and venture. Literature review continue. Methods of financing investment activities. The methods of financing investment activities may include debt financing, equity financing. Secondly, theoretical framework for analyzing financing investment activities. Theoretical frameworks for analyzing financing. The methodology, research decision and approach. The study used a quantitative research decision that involved the collocation of primary data through a survey administered to a sample of firms engaged in investment activities. The approach was cross-sectional and the data was collected at a single point in time. Data collection methods and sources. The primary data was collected through structured questionnaire administered to a sample of firms engaged on investment activities. Methodology contained variables and hypotheses. His study focused on two main variables: sources of financing and methods of financing investment activities. Data analysis methods and techniques. The collected data was analyzed using descriptive statistics such as frequency distribution, mean, and standard deviation. Discussion. Summary of main findings of the study. The study found that banks in developing countries rely heavily on external sources of financing and that the most common method of financing investment activities is debt financing. Conclusions drawn from the findings. The study concludes that it is crucial for policymakers to create a conducive investment climate to attract both local and foreign investors to finance investment activities in developing. Results and analysis. Key findings. The findings of this study have several implications for the research question and objectives for the study. Provides an comprehensive overview of the sources and methods of financing investment activities. Discussion continue. Limitations of the study and areas for future research. The study was limited to specific set of developing countries, and future research should focus on the broader range of countries to increase generalizability. Conclusion. Overall contribution to the existing literature on sources and methods of financing investment activities. The study contributes to the existing literature by providing new insights into the sources and methods of financing investment activities in developing countries, highlighting the importance of the investment climate in attracting investment and promoting economic growth. And then, thank you for your attention.